Welcome back to Tutorials Point. In today's video, we are going to learn how to change your activity status in your Tinder account. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So let's get started. So guys, for anybody who are using Tinder and they simply want to be offline while using Tinder but are being shown online and they just want to change the activity status and are having problem with it, well, don't worry, we are here to help you. I'll show you how to stay offline and change your activity status. So all you gotta do is tap on your Tinder app which you have got on your phone. You can see I do have already got this on my phone. If you don't have it, you can simply install it through Google Store or App Store. So after that, you can tap on it just like this. You can see that this is my profile right over here for Tinder. So all you gotta do is tap on this profile icon on the top right corner of the screen. You can see this is my profile. To change your activity status, now you have to tap on setting option just next to add media on this left corner. This will take you to various options of setting. So to simply change your activity status, what you have to do is scroll it just like this. And just below swipe search, you can see activity status. So this helps you to stay offline even when you're online, alright? If you don't want to talk with anyone or you just want to stay normal and do your own stuff, so you can just tap on this recent activity status on setting. So you can see you have got an option of changing your activity status. So if you're going to tap on this red bottom, show activity status, it's like this, it's gonna turn gray. So if you have this turned off, no one will be able to see your recent active status. That means you'll be shown offline simply. So this is how you do it. This is how you change your activity status on Tinder. So I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I'm going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.